What's happening YouTube? It's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 997 in the Toronto Raptors Championship Pack colorway. So I know Kawhi Leonard has officially declared his intentions to sign with the LA Clippers, so that is a bit of a downer. However, you still can't take away the fact that we are the 2019 NBA champs. To celebrate the franchise's first NBA title, New Balance has released a pack consisting of this 997 and the 990 V5 in this Toronto Raptors retro colored theme. So these dropped in late June for a retail price of $220 US or $270 here in Canada. Officially, the style code of this shoe is NB997MK. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the sneaker. So starting things off with the toe box, you can see the base of this toe box is constructed using this black mesh. Surrounding the outer edges of the toe box, we have this very buttery purple colored suede. Next to this, at the base of the toe box, we have this dark red colored suede. And then as we move along the quarter panel of the shoe, here we have black suede. Stitched on top, we have the classic New Balance N logo. This is done in white with a backing of 3M underneath. Moving downwards toward the end of the shoe, so here we have this gray TPU, which adds a little bit more structure to the shoe. And then towards the heel of the shoe, so here we have this overlay of purple suede, and then above this we have this thin line of 3M, and then at the top around the ankle collar area, we have that red suede. Stitched at the very top of the back heel, we have the New Balance word mark done in white, and then surrounding the bottom heel, we have this white TPU heel cup. In terms of laces, so these come with flat style black laces, and then underneath this we have the tongue. So the tongue is constructed using this gray colored 3M, so if you take a picture of this shoe with flash, this entire tongue will light up. At the very top, we have the New Balance word mark along with the phrase Made in USA stitched on in white. So the interior of these New Balance 997s is lined in this very soft black textile. Pulling out the insole, so here we have your standard gray colored New Balance insole with the New Balance logo on the heel. So the upper of this shoe sits atop this white colored midsole. As we zoom into the back heel, we have this end cap branding. So end cap is a type of cushioning from New Balance, which consists of a more sturdier foam on the outer edges and a softer core in the middle. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this is your standard New Balance 997 outsole. This is pretty much entirely done in this gray colored rubber, and we have this hit of exposed foam along the medial edge in the middle. So in terms of sizing, I find that New Balance run relatively big, but they are still pretty much true to size. So my feet measures as a true size 10, and I picked these up in a size 10. So I feel like if you want a really snug and locked down fit, you could probably go a half size down. Otherwise, sticking true to size should be okay. In comparison, for example, to the 990 V5, those ones I got in a size 10, but I feel they run a little bit more true to size than this pair. Next up, in terms of quality, so New Balance, it goes pretty much without saying that the quality on the sneaker usually is top notch. So in this case, this shoe is also very high quality. The materials on this pair is excellent. The craftsmanship made in USA, as expected, was very good. And although the price point on this sneaker is pretty high, I'd say that you pretty much get what you pay for. Last but not least, in terms of comfort, so this is the one area of the sneaker that I wasn't too happy about. I generally find that the New Balance 997 isn't the most comfortable New Balance on the market, and specifically, this back heel portion with this end cap technology is very stiff, whereas the forefoot area is a bit softer. So if you're expecting this shoe to be very comfortable on feet, then you might be a little bit disappointed. So now with all that out of the way, now let me lace up these Toronto Raptors Champ Pack 997s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Being a lifelong Raptor fan since the original season back in '95, it was and still is surreal to me that we are the 2019 NBA champions. Despite the fact that the fun guy is now taking his talents to the LA Clippers, all the trades and all that stuff that happened last year was worth it. For any fan of the Raptors, I feel like having this shoe is a no-brainer for your collection, and I'm definitely going to cherish this pair for a long time. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about this Toronto Raptors New Balance 997. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram account at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.